The bike now has 340 kilometers on it, so we shouldn't push it too hard.
A few moments later.
Yo guys, let's enjoy this beautiful weather here and test ride our bike, which is pretty much completely rebuilt. So before heading over to Africa, I just want to make sure that every bolt here is tight, and if there is one loose, we're gonna find out today. So our goal is to climb up that mountain here somehow. I see some snow up there, so I'm not sure if we can get up or not. So we should have some light off-road passages coming up. So until now the bike feels really good, stable as ever, and also the carb shedding is now basically up to perfection. There is no low spot anywhere, and when you twist the throttle it just goes directly without any stuttering or hesitation. Yeah, some first off-road and snow. Let's see where we can go. I guess we are not supposed to go here, so let's turn around. Yes, the fountain. Let's see if we can get some water from here. Oh yes! There we go! Woo-hoo-hoo. Not much grip here, but I love it. Whoa. So easy to pop a wheelie with this bike now. Look at that. Probably looks so stupid riding here like that, but it's so slippery. Yes, more snow. Woohoo! man, this bike rips. I'm like third or maybe quarter throttle in now. Do you hear that popping? Okay, that was pretty much full throttle, and that thing rips. Maybe I can go even one size bigger on the main jet, but I think once we get to hotter climates, this will equalize. Let's see if we can get some high-speed action. Oh yes, baby! Yes! Oh, that thing rips! I can also show you some pulls to see how that bike performs. So we are now in 4th gear, really low RPM, and I'm just gonna rip the gas wide open and see what happens. No hesitation whatsoever, no stuttering, nothing. That means the carb is set up crazily good. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! I shouldn't go so fast here. Try it again. 4th gear or 5th, that's 5th even. And she just goes. Yes! That bike rips! I hope you're gonna have a great day now seeing that, and I hope to encourage you to go to your own adventure or just try to fiddle around with the carb as I did for now almost 2 years to get it dialed in perfectly for my applications. And it's a struggle in the process, but once you get there, it's just awesome. So I hope you had fun, and we're gonna see you soon in the next one. Peace out.